man, when I seen you, I was like, man, I bet you he got my screens on that dang old truck, man. It's so crazy. I just seen this guy, man, at the mail spot, man.
How we doing, man?
He always bring my screens on point, man. He's a good guy, man. Real talk. Thanks a lot, bro. I really appreciate you,
one
man.
day you gotta show me how to get back.
Oh yeah, man, I got a whole gym back here, man. Hey man, when you ain't doing nothing, just pull back up, man. We get back there and get in.
Man, I wanna.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you. I got you.
I appreciate
All
that.
right, man, take it easy, bro. All right, trying to get me work out. What's up, though, YouTube? It's your first time tuning in. Welcome to Experiprints. My name is Rio. Okay, so today I want to do a full color print job. I got a client. She needs a design done. Has 4 colors in it. One of the color has, well, a lot of color has half tones in them and everything. So I kind of had to recreate the design. Please like, share, subscribe. For further YouTube content, screen print content, whatever the case may be. I'm trying to find my stride with this YouTube thing, man. So just bear with me. I'm gonna just say that. So this right here is the design that I have to do. I have to do six of these designs right here. This is, I had to actually recreate this whole image, you know what I mean? So as you see, so that's where I got it from. This is basically how I did it. And these are my separations. I have to kind of separate it manually because of the fact that I don't have an all black ink system, because I kind of don't trust it, because I got a Canon 100 Pixel Pro, and I just don't trust it. The last one, this is my second one I'm on, and I think the last ink really messed up my printer, so I'm not using that no more. So I just have to basically kind of change the colors to the halftones myself. But I still had it accurate, so let's get it, man. We about to go ahead and do these, print these out. You know what I mean? I got 6 shirts to do real quick. Knock it out, you know what I mean? No thing, you know. Also wanted to show y'all a few of the other designs I got coming down the pipeline. You know what I mean? This is this right here is like what it says, a landscaping service. Landscaping company, and I did the design for this as well. I'll be printing this next week, and here are the mock-ups for that. And I also, thanks to Lee Stewart from Rogue Lab. If you ain't following Lee Stewart too, you tripping. If you a screen printer, you ain't following Lee Stewart, bro, you tripping. Real talk, real talk. That man got a line. That man cold, man. That's all I'm gonna say about it, man. I don't want to be on his jock like that, but the man cold. Simple as that. But he basically showed me how to do these new mock-ups. I bought the package and everything and all that. So and I knocked it out. Looked like to me, because everybody is kind of liking these new mock-ups. So that's the mock-up for that one. These are the mock-ups. See, I got shit everywhere. But these are the ones for the shirts that the designs that I just showed you. So you know what I mean. Make it happen. You know what I mean. Or I already ordered the shirts, everything. So that should be A1. This is a design. This is one of my own designs that I'm actually going to print as soon as I get some free time. It was hell on earth actually separating this, but whatever, you know what I mean. And yeah, everything else is I've already showed y'all. So shit, basically we're gonna go print these films out and expose some screens. Let's get to it, man. Real talk, it's time to get to it, man. Let's go. So I love my laptop, so I can take these boys and connect on anything. See, I got my my software for accurate and all that type of stuff on this printer. I mean, excuse me, on this computer. And I got like my art, I do all my artwork and all that on this computer. I just try to keep certain stuff off my computer that I can avoid putting on there at the time. So that's why I got two computers, basically. So I'm gonna put these films together. Alright, so now y'all can see him. Y'all can see him all. I did this by accident. I didn't mean to do that one, but maybe I can make it a one color print or something. You know? On my blue, gray, my black, and my purple. And if you notice, they are at halftones. So I'm kind of excited to do this. Let's get it. Alright, so check it out, right? It's daytime, and I got exposed some screens. So, y'all see, it's daytime, damn light be coming, the light shine through here, so it'll be hard for me to expose screens. But I came up with something I'm about to show you. Watch this. Ta-da! Nigga, I'm the shit, bro. I look at dark as hell in here. Can't see shit, bro, boy. Look at that. Whoa. Yup. Yeah. I was gonna put some curtains up and all that shit. I'm like, man, I'm done doing all the aesthetics and all that shit. We need something simple and easy. So that's what I came up with. So there you have it. I'm about to expose some screens. Alright, though, what's up, people? So, it's a couple days later, of course, you know what I mean? Rome wasn't built in one day, you know what I mean? But, my shirt's here. I registered all my screens up and everything. Got my test print going on. I'm gonna have to move this over a little bit before I print, but I'm basically there. I'll tell you nothing but to move it over a little bit. But my shirts is here. And as you can see, these is actually my shirts that I got going on. But these are the shirts I'm printing on. And yeah. I may show all the sizes there, but just wanted to show you what I had going on. I'm printing these ink out on 230 mesh screens. You know what I mean? And the ink I'm using is FN ink, of course. I actually had to mix these two together to get this, because the color that's on the image, is kind of bluish purplish, you know what I mean? So I mixed them two together and came up with that color. Now, as far as me making that color again, I'm gonna get back to you on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and re-rush this up, man, get these shirts out the way, man, and let y'all see how they come out. Let's get it. So I'm always nervous before I print somebody's shirts that they spent their money on. So I'm always doing one last test print. So that's what I'm doing now, just to make sure I got the way I want to hold my squeegee, how many times I want to go, how many passes I want to do with each individual ink. You know what I mean? You got to take all that in consideration and remember your pattern. So all your shirts will potentially look the same. You feel what I'm talking about? Yeah, man. So it's a couple days later, man. I just actually put this video together and realized I ain't had no end to it or anything. So yeah, man. So all in all, man, the last print came out perfect. I probably would have put a white underbase under it to bring it out a little more. Honestly, thought it would come out better at first. Just printing no underbase on it. I wanted to see how it looked, but live you learn, you know what I mean? So next time I will be putting a white underbase under that for sure. But you know, it is what it is. I want to thank all 200 of you guys for following me, man. Thanks a lot, man. I know when I started this YouTube stuff, man, I really didn't think I would even get close to that. So, you know what I mean? It ain't no big number, but it's basically a step. So I'm just gives me the motivation to keep on pushing, man. You know what I mean? So something else I want to say. Oh yeah, Ryonet, man, good looking out, man. Y'all posted my video on y'all page and on YouTube, and it just started shooting up. You know what I mean? Like I say, not no dog. I know real big numbers, but better numbers than what we're seeing. So thank you, sir. I really appreciate y'all for that, man. I want to talk about my shop and kind of where it's going. And from what I'm seeing, simple as that. Me and my lady, man, with my future wife, fiance, we basically then looked into a lot of little spots and planning. I've already found me a building for my business, and we found the place to stay, so I no longer have my business in my basement. You know what I mean? So I do like it. You know what I mean? Because having a building just gives you access to more business. You know what I'm saying? It just gives a impression that you not by no games. You serious about your business, which I am. You know what I mean? I remember when I started screen printing, man, I didn't think I was gonna take it this far. But as I started growing, I started seeing the areas that I needed to work on and develop and like far as business credit, stuff like that. You know what I mean? Depending on how far you want to go, man, you want to start taking all that type of stuff into consideration, because paying for everything out your pocket is not what's up. Take that shit right now. You know what I mean? So yeah, maybe within the next 2 months, maybe 3 months at the most, man, we out of here, man. So be looking forward to content, man. Be packing all my stuff up and getting up out of here and all that. You know what I mean? But until then, man, I'm still growing, still learning, and just getting ready for my big move, man. So like I say, I'll keep you posted on everything, man. Please like, share, subscribe, man. The content, if you like my content, man, I really appreciate it. So till next time, peace.